So I finally got my miner from Quakecore Network, delivered by UPS. Actually only took 2 days to come from Portugal to Thailand. So let's get it open and see what it looks inside. Yeah, Quake. So here there is a user manual in this QR code. Pretty nice box, I have to say. And here it is. Aluminum frame, plastic. This is the mount. Place it on the wall. Here is the charging port. Some dirt on the side. Let's see what else we have in here. USB to USB-C charging cable. This one, the battery in this one should last approximately 2 to 3 months, so it doesn't have to be charging all the time. This is actually it. What's in the box. And since I am very early in this project, it has not officially launched yet. But it will be launching within a few days, a week or so. There is in their Discord right now some beta tester, so we can onboard it. So I will have to look at that now when I verify for them that I am having a QUAKECore miner. So this was the unboxing of the QUAKECore miner. I will make another video when I will get it online. So this is it. Thank you for watching and have a great day.